Kung sawa ka na laging gapang na lang sa pera, makinig ka ng mabuti. If you want to stay broke or gapang sa pera for the rest of your life, continue scrolling. And if you want your financial life to change forever, that means money is no longer an issue. That means you will say, no problem, because I know I have money and I'm certain that money is just like an air. Pag kailangan ko, hihingal ako ng malalim at walang takot itong gastusin. Because I believe that abundance is the key, and it has to start with your principle around money. What you believe that is true for you about money. And this is what I truly believe. That my God, my Creator, whoever your Creator is, whoever your God is, He is all the source of the blessing, specifically money. And therefore, He is gracious. He is abundant. And He wants you to be abundant. Except that maybe we have a different principle. We have different belief about money. And therefore, I'm going to give you some of my money principle that allowed me to enjoy life, to allow me to enjoy as much as I can. I'm not saying I'm already earning the billions and the trillions I have, but I'm already earning the amount of money that I want without even working hard, without even thinking about it, without even strategizing, because I have access to that money. And therefore, the word here is access. Do I have that access? Because what I truly believe, money is just like an air. It's always available. Except lang, do I have access around money? So stay tuned, because I'm gonna give all of this opportunity for you to learn the principles of how you can create a life wherein you will always say, no problem. I have access to as many money as I can, and therefore no fear around it, because my God is providing me it all. I just have to have that access, like a pin in your ATM. If you know you have billions of money in your ATM, useless because you don't have that pin. And I'm going to give you the pin to your ATM that has an access of multi-billions and trillions in whatever denomination, because I believe you deserve the financial blessings that you want. No need to worry, because these principles will help you, just like millions of people believe in it, like thousands of people who have attended all my seminars and all my teachings. Most of them are now creating the life that you want, the financial freedom that they want, the time freedom that, but above all, the fulfillment that they have because of this principle. Stay tuned for controversial money principle. It's gonna be a series.